Queen Mary 2, the last great ocean liner. There seems to be a gap in the schedule in April 2027. The deck plan for Deck 8 has changed, showing a new suite in place of the bookshop. The new suite seems to have a large new balcony in this area of the ship. I think it might look a bit like this, with the scenic lift in that area obscured. Deck 13 looks like it's going to get a few more cabins. Probably added in a similar way to the extra cabins that were added in 2016. It looks like there is going to be a new outside deck on top of the new cabins. Original Deck 13 layout. 2016 refit. This is what I think Deck 13 might look like in 2027. Back to original layout. (2016) refit. What might happen in 2027? I will update my 3D model on MakerWorld to include all three versions. Thanks to Chris Frame for spotting the changes, and Curious to Travel for pointing out the new balcony on Deck 8. Pre-2015 deck plans from shipdetective.com.